Hello traders, a fixed trader from GoldMedalPennyStocks.com here today, and I'm here to talk to you about the stock chart for AXLX, AXLX Education Corp, which is an OTC pink sheets traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out on this stock chart is you'll notice that both the 14 period and 5 period RSI are currently in the buy zone as far as the RSI goes. It is between 50 and 70. The 14 period RSI is currently trading at 55.16, while the 5 period RSI bullishly crossed over that 14 period RSI and is trading at 64.53. So as far as the RSI goes, it's looking pretty bullish, and you can also see some bullish divergence here on this chart as the RSI trended gaining higher lows progressively as the price per share was finding lower lows in the same time frame. So that's a good sign as far as the RSI goes as well. Other things worth mentioning here are that the shares have been accumulated a ton down in this 0001, 0002, even 0003 area. A lot of accumulation, and that accumulation will help a breakout to happen because a lot of those people are looking to get out with some profit. Also, you'll notice that back in March here, the price per share was at 0029, which is almost 1,000% higher than it is right now. And you'll see that there was a lot bigger volume back when the price per share was much higher than there has been now. And that means that there's a lot of people hanging on to shares from way back there at those higher price ranges, and those kind of people are going to be looking to drive the share price back up because they're going to want to try to cut their losses or get out even with possibly with gains. So that's something to definitely keep your eyes on. The Bollinger Bands, which are these blue lines here, are currently trading within the Keltner channels, which are these pink lines right here. And that is good because that means we're in a period of extreme consolidation, and when the Bollinger Bands actually expand outside the Keltner channels, we're going to have what's called a pinch play on our hands, and those generally tend to be pretty explosive in terms of momentum and the power of the overall breakout. The Parsar is about to flip underneath the price per share, which is bullish as far as that indicator goes. As you can see, it's currently trading at 0003. That's where the Parsar is, and that's where the price per share is. One uptick will send that price per share, or that Parsar indicator, right underneath the price per share, which is bullish as far as that goes. We want that down here, and that will indicate the start of a new trend, which will be an uptrend. Also worth pointing out here is that we've seen a little bit of volume pickup here in the past couple of weeks since the end of August and beginning of September. So definite accumulation there, as pointed out earlier. The MACD has a nice bullish crossover. We're looking to see some more spread there. See this histogram grow in the back here. That's what we want to see. The TRIX indicator also had a nice bullish crossover, and both of these, the MACD and the TRIX, are short-term momentum indicators. So we're seeing short-term momentum growing here. The CMF, Chaikin Money Flow, is an accumulation indicator. 0.2 is what's considered bullish. 0.4 is extremely bullish. We're currently at 0.336, so we're heading up, and it's spiked up. It is very spiked up, so we're really rapidly approaching that extremely bullish territory. A lot of accumulation happening. That is a very, very bullish sign. And overall, the stock chart is just kind of looking for a turnaround. You know, it's been sold off, obviously, since March. It's been walking down, and it's at the lowest point it can really go. So it's looking to be driven back up here soon from the looks of it, in my perspective. Definitely want to keep on the radar for Monday morning because there have been email alerts out, and the message boards are getting a lot of buzz. This one could be a hot play for Monday and over the course of the entire week. So keep your eyes on this one. Good luck trading, and thanks for watching.